Hey everyone, I'm Anne-Marie Green. Let's get you back to CBS Mornings in just a few minutes. But first, we do have an update for you. It's on the Hunter Biden case. Hunter Biden's federal gun trial in Delaware is underway. The defense has rested its case without the president's sons testifying. So let's bring in Scott MacFarlane. He's been covering this for us. He's outside of the courthouse now. All right, so Scott, what happens next?
This case has just moved into the fast lane of the highway towards the jury. They have started jury instructions now that both the prosecution and the defense have rested. The defense rested without calling the defendant to the stand. After jury instructions and a lunch break for the jury, they begin closing arguments, which means this case could be in the jury's hands by mid to late afternoon if the judge wants them to begin deliberating today. This six-man, six-woman Delaware jury has been here since last Monday when jury selection began. They've listened to a string of Biden family members testify about the depths and despair of Hunter Biden's drug addiction. But the defense has made an argument through its cross-examination of witnesses and through its opening statement, potentially through its closing arguments, that the gun form Hunter Biden is accused of unlawfully making false statements on was less than clear, making it prone for mistakes. The issue here again, Anne-Marie, is the question, have you used drugs or are you using drugs? The form says the latter. Are you using drugs or addicted? The defense says that's not clear for somebody who might be in recovery.
Right, so that's the focus of this case, is how we answered that one question on that piece of paper. So the jury, there's a possibility the jury could have the case by today if the judge wants that to be the case, as you pointed out, or it could break and let them go home and then sort of restart deliberations. But he didn't testify in his defense. What sort of defense was launched? Who testified, if anyone?
He brought his daughter, Naomi Biden, to the stand, and the defense questioned her. And the time frame in which she described is pivotal here. She says during that seminal period for this whole case, October 2018, the time the gun was purchased, Naomi Biden testified her father seemed to be doing better, was making progress on his road to recovery. That goes right into the DNA and the fabric of this defense, which is that during the period of time in question, Hunter Biden may not have viewed himself as a drug user or drug addict. That's been part and parcel of their defense, but really the only witness to testify to those sets of issues. Hunter Biden not taking the stand removed an idea from the defense that he could speak on his own behalf about his recovery, but it also removed a risk from the defense that he could cross-examine on a whole range of things and increase his legal exposure.
All right, Scott, thanks for jumping in front of the camera. Appreciate it.